What is transformative justice? Have you ever wondered how we can handle harm and conflict in a way that promotes healing instead of punishment? Transformative justice is an approach that focuses on healing, accountability, and changing the conditions that allow harm to happen. Instead of relying on traditional punishment, it aims to create safety and repair relationships within the community. At its heart, transformative justice looks beyond just fixing the immediate issue between a victim and an offender. It examines the bigger picture, including how social systems and inequalities contribute to harm. For instance, it challenges systems that punish individuals through prisons or courts and instead promotes community-based solutions that focus on education, healing, and forgiveness. One key practice in transformative justice is the use of community circles. These circles allow everyone affected by the harm to speak and work together to find solutions. They are designed to be safe spaces where no one holds more power than others. This encourages honest communication and shared responsibility among all involved. For teenagers, understanding transformative justice means recognizing that when someone causes harm, the goal is not just to punish but to understand why it happened. It supports everyone involved in the healing process. This approach respects personal boundaries and consent by involving all parties in deciding how to move forward. It is not about imposing a one-size-fits-all punishment. In practical terms, transformative justice helps teens learn to handle conflicts and mistakes in ways that build trust and respect. It encourages taking responsibility for actions, listening to others, and working together to prevent future harm. This is especially important in relationships and social settings where understanding consent and cultural sensitivity is key. Overall, transformative justice offers an alternative to punishment-focused responses. It promotes community care, accountability, and social change. By doing so, it aims to create safer and more just environments for everyone involved. Understanding this approach can help teenagers navigate their social skills and relationships in a more thoughtful and compassionate way.